This figure 18-69 deals with a procedure for calculating motor loads and sizing the disconnect based upon the motor load calculation. Now, the disconnecting means naturally is required to be sized in accordance with 409.30 in the NEC. But we would also use, as shown in the illustration with a title head, calculating the size disconnecting means for motor loads of 143 amps per 409.30 and 430.110A. Now, when we take these three sections and use them together, step one, we use 143 amps times 115%, and we come up with 164.45 amp. Now, notice in the solution then, the disconnect for the motor load would have to be capable of handling 164.45 amp load, motor load. So it would be a 200 amp selection. Now you remember that disconnects come in sizes 30, 60, 100, 200, 400, 600, and so forth. So this disconnect based upon 1645.45 would naturally have to be a 200 amp disconnect. Now that's what this figure 18-69 is illustrating to the user of the NEC that is designing or installing a disconnecting means for motor loads.